and welcome to Thrived Solution. In today's session, we'll be seeing Module 4, which is Network-Based Threats and Mitigation. In today's class, the topic will be of network definition and what are the different types of networks. So today, let's see the topic, how a network-based threats and mitigations are occurred. So before going to that, let's see how a network is defined. A network is a grouping of interconnected physical components that work together to provide a seamless backbone for all your devices to communicate. The cloud and the internet might seem intangible, but even they have physical roots. While there are dozens of parts that help define a network, but we likely to encounter such as routers, switches, firewalls, access point, and different hubs. So the switch is a fundamental building block to a modern network where it allows multiple devices to communicate with each other. The router, it allows different networks to communicate with each other. Let's see what are the different types of networks, such as wireless networks and local area networks. We have a private network where the level of authentication and authorization is required to access devices and resources, as you might find in your workplace of work. A public network like the internet is open to any user. Next, how do you connect to your network? So the wired or Ethernet connection is the common way of connecting to an office network. It requires a physical network cable to connect to your computer or laptop to switch into your network. A wireless connection lets your device connect to the network using Wi-Fi. This is typically used at home or in large public sectors. A Bluetooth connection is a short-range device-to-device communication method, and small devices like pedometers, headphones, and smartwatches tend to use Bluetooth. Let's see what is the client and server topology. In this model, the client can be one or more devices or applications on a device that wants to do something. So the server is responsible for processing each client request and sending back a response. Example, when you use a smartphone or a tablet to access a digital streaming service, your device is the client that makes a request to the streaming server to access the movie or TV show you want to watch. The server responds by streaming the content on your device. And the other example is when you use your browser to access content from the internet. Thank you.